Yeah, hi everyone. I know some of you guys may be thinking that we're not going to hold the program today, but so sorry for coming a little bit late. Like I said, if I come a little bit late, that means I'm writing the topic, and I don't want in a situation whereby I cannot write the topic so that everybody will follow up. So, nevertheless, we are back. We are here. We are right here right now to start the program. So, and welcome all of you all to today's edition of Let's Educate Each Other. So I still remain your presenter, Chris Nkume. That's my name, okay? So on today's edition, we're going to be discussing about something sumptuous, okay? I know you guys have been waiting for this kind of topic for a very long time. So today, we're going to be letting cats out of the bag. What I mean is that we're going to be exposing some kind of things. This program is all about let's educate one another, okay? No one is perfect. Nobody knows it all. You understand? You educate me, I educate you. So on today's edition, we're going to be discussing a very vital information, or let's say a very important topic that affects everybody, both married and unmarried, husband and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend, and it's going to be superb today if you follow me from beginning till the end. I know you're going to learn a lot of things from today program. So just sit back and join me, and at the end of the day, you're going to pick one or two things from what you're going to be discussing today. So, but before I move on, let me quickly make this announcement. I've been announcing this that first of May, we are going to be having our first guest on this program, which is probably next week. So I'm so excited to announce to you guys that everything has been put in place. Everything is going to be set, it's going to be ready. On Wednesday next week, we are going to be having our first guest on this program that's going to be teaching us a lot of things. So please go get your pen and your book so you write some things down, and you're going to have enough time to ask your question, and he will attend to you. We are not talking about that person than Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odige, the General Overseer of Bread of Life Ministry International. He is going to be our first guest on this program. So my brothers and sisters that are watching this program, please invite your friends, tell them about this program, because I'll be receiving a lot of calls from different kind of people, from different calibers and timbers, timbers and calibers of people. I don't know, but all the same, they are testifying that this program has been a turnaround in their life. They have been learning a lot of things from this program. So we have started for today. Also, I urge you and I beg you guys to continue sharing this program. Tell your friends that the program have already started. Please, one more announcement before I go straight to the today topic and we start receiving calls and comments. So please, I always say when I'm online, please don't call me, because this program, once you're calling me, you're distracting the attention of people and you are distracting the program as well. So if you're calling me, I'll cut you off instantly. So if you want to call me directly in this program, then you speak your mind, you have opportunity to say whatever I want to say, and we are going to hear it out. And secondly, this program is not it's not where you can come and abuse anybody or start fighting or start exchanging words. I'm in control of the whole thing here. If you do such a thing, I'll cut you off. You can't be able to call back again. So you are here to respect one another's opinion. So say what is in your mind. That's your own opinion, and no one is going to be against you. So feel free to discuss whatever you want to discuss with us according to the topic we are dealing on today. So that's just the few announcements I have to make before we proceed on this program. But before we continue, as we proceed in the program, I'll keep on making the announcements so everybody will follow up and know what we are doing. Okay, so once again, you're welcome to today's edition of Let's Educate Each Other. Okay, tell your friends, welcome, invite them that the program already started. Okay, so I'll be introducing the topic now. Then after introducing the topic, you know how we normally do it. You go straight to the comment box, and if call comes in, we'll bring the person up to the camera. Then the person will share his own opinion and ideas with us. So the topic we are going to be discussing today, we have started doing 2 topics every day because of so many topics that are coming in on my inbox every week. Okay, so please, let's go down to the business. So the first topic is it a crime for a wife or a girlfriend to take his boyfriend or his husband out, at least for dinner or for shopping, or let's go have some fun or buy ice cream? Okay, is it a crime if a woman does that to his man, not the man always taking out, buy this, buy that? If a woman buys a gift for her husband or her boyfriend, is it a crime? Will that woman stop any money in life, or will that woman stop touching money? That's number one topic. Then second topic is, now we are going to be hearing what is going to be your own opinion. Is it good? Is it a rightful something for you to have two girlfriend as a guy, or is it a rightful something for you to have two boyfriend as a boy, as a girl? So the floor is now open for you to call in, send me your comments, and let's deal on the topic we have at hand today. So in case you don't know any of them, you can call me and ask me. I will repeat it to you. I'm here to serve you. You know how I normally do it every Wednesday and Sunday, starting from 9 p.m. till 12 midnight. So the line is now free, the comment box, everything is now set. So you can call in, ask for the topic. I will repeat it in case you didn't see it at the, let's say, at the status. Okay, if in case you didn't see that at the status, you can ask me, I can explain it back to you. So let's do this topic the way we normally do others, and let's learn from each other. So before I normally throw my own live before I go to the comment box and start receiving calls and messages. So from my own opinion as the presenter, I have to contribute as well. For the first topic, which says, is it a crime for a woman to take her man out? Well, for me, it's not a crime. At least if a woman, at least once in a month or twice a month, let's just say at least once in a month, a woman take her husband or her man out, I think that will make that man to love her more. I think it will bring more unity and more love into that family, into that relationship, because I believe that, let's try to change the way we do things. Like the way white men, we Nigerian, we African, we like emulating the white people. You see, a white lady will take her man out. Sometimes when they go out, if they want to pay for the bills, the girl will say, no, I can take care of it. The girl will pay. That doesn't make her to become less important in the relationship or in the family. So I don't see anything wrong from a woman taking her man out, but mostly we Nigerians, or mostly we Africans, we find it as a taboo for a girl to spend on her man or on her man. So that's my own opinion. It's not any bad thing, it's not a crime. So for you to spice your love up for your family or your relationship up, at least once in a while, once in 2 months or once in 1 month, take your man out and give him some talking for broken, I understand. Give her 1 or 2 things, make it everywhere stew, make everywhere pepper soup, understand. Then for the second topic, as a guy, as a white somebody, both a girl and a boy, I don't see the reason why you should have 2 boyfriend or 2 girlfriend. As in, it doesn't make sense. Okay, for instance, now I have the 2 girlfriend, I have the 2 boyfriend now. Definitely, I don't think you love both of them, because if you really do love the person you are dating, I don't see the reason why you should be having another person attached to it. Because love is not 2, love is 1. At least I love you. That means I don't know. But people take it as fun. But for me, I can't do such a thing. It's not right. That's the little thing I can contribute for now. That's not all, but for now, let's hear from other people. I'm not going to be the one doing it all alone. So let's hear from you guys. So let me quickly go straight to the comment box and see what we have there. This one is coming from Chinonso DJ Galaxy Gold. He said, boss, okay, I greet you, bros. You're welcome to the program. He said, this one also coming from Chinonso DJ Galaxy Gold. He said, GDD said, Chinonso said, how are you? Hi, bro. Okay, I'm good. Thank you so much for asking after me. It's not easy, when someone asks after you, that means that person cares. So that's the topic we're going to be doing on today. So the line is now open, and the comment box is now open as well. You know how I normally do it. You call in, you send in your comment or anything at all. Let's get down to the business. So keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends, tell them that the program already started. So who's going to be our first caller for today's program? You're waiting. Who's going to be the lucky caller? Who is going to be the first caller on today's edition of Let's Educate Ourselves? This is just 17 minutes after 9. But in Nigeria, people that are watching from Nigeria, this is after 8, 17 minutes after 8 in Nigeria, because we are 1 hour ahead of you guys. So feel free to call in. The program already started. We'll be ending it 12 o'clock over here, but in Nigeria, it should be 11 o'clock, something like that, okay? So who is there? Who's going to be our first caller? Who's going to be our first caller on this program today? Who's going to break the rules by being the first caller on this program? I know that so many people haven't received the notification that the program already started, but some of you that have received it yet, so you guys can start, introducing it to your friends, invite them. Let's put heads together and deal on this topic, because I know it's a very interesting topic. Because sometimes now boys, baby, take me out today, baby, take me out today. If you take your baby out na crime, no, we just even ask ourselves the truth. As a girl, you say your boyfriend no take you out. Easter, he no take you out. Christmas, he no take you out. Sunday, he no take you out. Weekend, he no take you out. If you decide dress up one day, just the dress, maybe you go say, maybe your guy just sit down for parlor, or sit down for chair, they watch football, or they press Facebook or something like that. You just go inside, take your shower, and you're dressing up. And I say, baby, where are you dressing? Where are you up to? Why are you dressing up? Tell him, okay, surprise, surprise. Go get yourself a nice shoes and nice clothes. Go and dress up. We are going out today. I'm going to take you out. Don't you see that it makes somehow, the guy will be, like seriously, you're not take me out? Even though the guy, even get shikban for pocket before. For that reason alone, we say take an ad for that moment. Believe me, from the upper week or as time goes by, he can never forget that in his life. For his entire life, my woman take me out today. It will be the next topic he's going to be shared with his fellow friends. Believe me, I'm just telling you the gospel truth. It's going to be the next topic for throughout that month, throughout that week. Whenever I sit with these guys together, I say, oh boy, I don't know what happened today. I just there has the press phone. I just there has the watch ball. I just there has to do one or two things. My woman just call me, say, my address of say they go out. I still say my money I won't go spend, but could you believe that we reach there? She paid for everything. She even got me take away. Not the only girls I be carry take away. Boys, yes, I be still carry take away. So, so let's do it together. I'm just, that's just the simple truth. I'm just going to let you guys know. So please, the line is open. You can call in, make a contribution. There's no time. If you think say time there now, at the end of the day now, she say, consider time to take call. So if you call now, make your own points now, because as time they go, minutes they remain. You understand? So you can call in, make your own contribution, let people hear you and hear what you want to say. On the way to go first call. I don't say today's program. I don't say some people don't go light up because of that two girlfriend or boyfriend issue. Not me bring the topic, and a person bring her ass. I believe say maybe the person not observe and say this kind of thing. You don't tell where they happen. You say maybe we'll discuss it today on this program, because I know that discussing it here, I think throughout the whole live video that is going on Facebook, I think this is the only place you can be able to discuss and let everybody know your feelings. That's what I believe. So you are free to call in, send your comments. I'm here to read it out, and everybody will hear from it and learn from it as well. So don't feel shy, don't feel intimidated. Just feel free, be yourself, Who's going to be our first caller today? We are waiting. Who's going to break the boundary? Who's going to be the first caller for today's program? A very strong topic they do today. And this program, a very, very strong topic, we say it affects everybody. Now, they do. You understand? We know they can't depend word. You understand? Just talk your mind as you be. Feel free. Express yourself. No one is here to criticize you. You have all the right by yourself to say whatever you want to say and speak your mind. And everybody will benefit from what you have to tell us. So, remember, the line is open and the comment box is always right there, waiting for you to call in and make your contribution. You understand? So, and also remember, next week precisely, we are having our first guest on this program. So please, send in your comments, get ready for that very day, because you won't be teaching us on a very wonderful topic that affects everybody. Since this program started, we are not dealing only on youth. We are trying to mingle it with couples, the married men and married women. At least they can also benefit from the program as well. So just feel free and call in, make your own contribution, make your own point, and everybody will understand. So remember, the line is always open for you to call in and make your contribution, or you can send it. If you cannot call, if you don't want to call, you don't want people to see you or to hear your voice, simply can write it. I'll be the one to read it out for them to hear. Okay, just feel free, call. The line is always open for you to call in, make your contribution. No one is here to criticize you. Whatever I want to say it, because you have the right. I'm here to control everything that happens. If anybody attacks you, I'll be the one to remove the person immediately, because we are here to respect each other and educate each other. That's the main purpose of this program, okay? So don't feel embarrassed, don't feel intimidated, don't feel shy. Just call in or send in your comments. I'm here to serve as well. You know how I normally do it every Sunday and Wednesday by 9 p.m. till 12 midnight, and today is Sunday. It's not exceptional. We are doing it like other days we normally do it as well. So you know, dealing on 2 topics today, so you have the right to call in, send in your comments, and let's the program start. The line is always open. You can call in, you send in your test. We are here to, you know, read it out or entertain you by giving you time to speak it through your own mouth. You know, let everybody hear from horse's mouth. So remember, next week we're having our first guest on this program. In case you don't know yet, please be informed now and also be aware. That program is going to be a wonderful one. Okay, this one is coming from, you know, we are not going to waste much time today. As it's coming in, we are reading it out. As you are calling in, we are picking your calls for you to make your own contribution. So this one is coming from Bros Sobobo Elvis Marcos. Bros, don't tell, just run for the program. I be one or two things. No, many ways I be like say you get out for work today, because some of we that are watching this program, some of us are working. So you're welcome to the program. They say good evening everyone. Okay, we have heard you. You're welcome to the program. So feel free, and you know how we normally do it. You're not a new person in our program. You can call in and send your comments. So you're not a new person on this program. So feel free and do whatever is necessary for us to do. You know how the program normally function. So no need to come and start telling you how the program function again. You are one of us. So you're highly welcome. You're welcome back to the house. So if it's Marcos, I hope I'm communicating. So please call in. The line is still open, and the comment box is there free for you to comment. And you know, please, is the topic too hard that you guys are afraid to comment? Nobody want to open in Yash. I've said my own. No, nothing concern me. I've said my own. If you like, bo. But I've just said it that I've made my own contribution. So I'm now waiting for you guys to make your own contribution. Okay? You saw everybody they run. They will all see the top here, they all run, just base. They don't want just talk. Maybe they talk say, or maybe their girlfriend say, can you talk this one? I hear when you talk, I'm hey. Free yourself is a free word. You are free to do whatever I want to do. It's a free word, you know. You learn from me, I learn from you. That's just the point. That's the reason why we are here. You know, every Sunday and Wednesday, twice a week. It's not much, you know. For us to learn from each other twice a week, it's not much. At least 4 hours. At least 4 hours is okay for us to learn a new thing from each other, okay? So, you can call in now that nobody's trying to call. So, when time comes now, you'll not be dragging to call and to make your own call. So, just call in and make your own points now, straight away. So that everybody will benefit from you as well. Okay? I'm waiting. The line is free. Okay. This one is coming from Yushe. Yushe said, good evening. Okay. Evening to you. You're welcome to today's edition. You're welcome to today's program. You know how we normally do it. You're not a newcomer in this program. You always contribute endlessly. She's the only white woman that always follow us up. No matter how hard it is, she must always comment. She must always contribute. She and Erica. I hope Erica is good. So send my greetings to Erica. I hope she will be joining us today, right? Okay. I hope you have heard me. Yeah, I'm here. You share DJ Chris. Okay, thank you. That's my name. Thank you for putting. Please don't call me when I'm on this program. I'm begging. Don't call me. If you call me, I won't pick your call. Okay? You said, yes, all is well, okay? You're welcome. You're welcome to the program. So I hope Erica is good because I hope she will be joining us on today's topic because I believe we need to learn from each other. You know how we normally do it. You're not a newcomer in this program, so let's keep on doing it. Okay. This one is also coming from She said, "What's the topic?" Okay, we have two topics. You know, we normally do two topics this time around. These days, we normally do two topics. Today's topic is one. Is it a crime if a woman take her man out? That's number one topic. Then number two topic is it right to have two girlfriend, or as a guy, is it good to have two boyfriend? So that's just the two topics we are dealing on today. I know that this thing affects everybody. Nobody would like to talk, but you have to say the truth. You understand? They said the truth is bitter, but it needs to be told. You understand? So that's just the simple truth about today's topic. I hope you got what I said. In case if you don't get me right, you can still ask me. I will repeat it again. So this one is coming from Yushe. Said, yes, so also Erica is very well. Okay. My regards to her. Okay. Send her my greetings. Okay. We have first caller on this program. Let's hear him out. Okay. We are welcoming our first caller on this program. Let's hear what he wants to tell us. Okay. Okay. Hello, bros. You're welcome to the program for today.
Hello, good evening.
Evening to you. Don't taste more. Nobody going to see you again for the program.
Now, what, bros?
Okay, I believe. No, everywhere good.
That's
So I
good.
mean,
Everywhere good, bros. That's good.
so I hope you know today's topic now.
The topic, will I say I hear the topic just now? The thing be speaking for you.
Man, repeat that for you now. May hear well.
Yes,
Okay.
I want to.
The first one be say, na crime say woman take man out.
That one not be crime. That one
The
not
second
be
one.
crime.
The second one now, is he good as a guy will be na may get two girlfriend?
The first one, that one not be crime to take your boyfriend out.
Okay.
The first one, to take your boyfriend out, it's not a crime.
Yeah.
If you love your boyfriend, wherever you are going, he's supposed to be with you.
Okay.
If you love your man, in anywhere, in any position, if you love your man, in anywhere you are going, he's supposed to be with you.
Yeah.
If you know that you are not throwing leg from one to another, your boyfriend is supposed to stand by you. Number two, the second answer, the second one. Come again, please.
No, that number one, you never finish. That number one, you never finish. I mean, taking out what I mean, be say like on Sunday like this, just say, okay, your girl, you're taking out, say, man, I go like Mr. B's or ShopRite or Kebab or Burger King or McDonald's.
Yeah, the guy get the right to take you out. You get the right when you have the money.
But you know, say some women don't agree to take their boyfriend or their man out.
Many of them, they think it's a crime to take your boyfriend out to buy your boyfriend something. If you have anything to support your boyfriend, you support in any way. It's not only man that can support a woman. Woman have the right to support a man. That is why God created woman to support a man. That is in the Bible. That's what they say.
Okay.
Woman is a helper to man. When you know that you have support, you support your husband, support your boyfriend anywhere.
Okay.
That is my contribution.
Then the second topic. Okay, what was the second topic?
Hit me with the second topic, bros.
The second topic we say, as a guy will be so, is it right for you to have a two girlfriend?
No, that one not the right. Because for me, not the right.
Yeah.
If you love one girl, if you just love girl, just go for the girl. It's not maybe you will go for Sister Rita today, tomorrow Sister Esther, next tomorrow. That one is not good. It's not good.
Okay.
That is my contribution, bro.
Okay, you want to talk. So how many girlfriends you get?
You say?
You want to talk. So how many girlfriends you get?
I don't hear you, bro. Come again.
I said you want to talk. So how many girlfriends do you get?
I don't have one girlfriend.
Okay. When I don't hear that, I brought Sababa Marcos there saying they find girlfriend though.
because let me say my condition. I don't have girlfriend because I know where I stand. Because I cannot
Okay.
Be digging from ground.
Yeah.
When I know that I don't have support for any girl, I don't, for example, you now ask me for support, and I'm not
Okay.
support anything. You know, a relationship is not by sex, go to bed and sex. That is why
Yeah.
I just decide to keep myself for
Yeah.
now. I don't have any girlfriend.
Okay. So
Thank
thank you
you.
so much for that wonderful contribution. I hope you
Welcome,
stay
bro.
back and hear from other people as well. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
bro.
Okay, that's one come from Elvis Marcos. He said he doesn't have girlfriend and it's not
Boss, I
a
greet
crime for a
you.
woman to take a boyfriend out. Hello, that's my MC,
Bros, I greet you. Good
my
evening.
world MC.
Good
You're welcome.
evening.
Longest time.
I will
Evening.
bless
How
God. Why
far?
your side now?
We bless God. Longest time.
You don't throw me like the way woman they throw a part two for a corner now.
Okay, you're welcome to today's program. So what do you have to tell us? I hope you know the topic, right?
No, I just the enter house now. As you can see now, I just the enter. I never even put my shoe. I never put my shoe.
Okay.
I just
Today's
the enter house.
topic
I had to
now,
come
is it
back
a crime?
for one or two
Man,
small
sure.
birthday party.
I will not be lie.
So I just
Now
see
the
you. I
season
don't
we
say your
reach.
program. I always dey like. I dey miss many tough one. Where you dey do sometimes. If I want come up for us, and that time you take dey come online. Like the one we do on Wednesday. I come up
Wednesday.
for us, and that time you take dey come online. That time you take dey come online.
Okay.
So what's the
You gotta
topic of
keep time
today?
now. Okay, topic of today now. Is it a crime for woman to take man out, to take his husband or his wife, his boyfriend out? That's the first topic. Then the second topic now, is it
Okay.
the second topic is it right for guy to have two girlfriends? As you did so now, is it right to get two girlfriends?
Okay, wait. The first one, my fellow talk that one. It is very important.
Okay.
If you want to take your guy or you want to take your woman heart, now your choice.
Yes.
You understand? Okay. As a guy, you want to take your woman heart, like maybe
Now
the
woman now
heart
they
that they
talk because
talk.
you know say wait, you know say man we men they take women out steady now. Now the reverse now we do and the reverse now. Is it a crime say woman take man out?
Yes, it is very important for a woman to take his man or her man out. Yes. For the English self, I dey confuse English. It is important for woman to take my heart. Not be say maybe not every time. Even the man wey dey take the woman heart, not be still every time. Maybe for example now. For example, now you be DJ, you want to do your birthday, or you get where you are, you get what you do. You just want my day with you. I can take my woman along with me, two of us.
Okay.
Okay.
They kind of, if like say, you know, if like say, no understand the kind of taking out how they talk.
Oh yeah, now.
Okay. For instance, now I know say Mr. Beast Day, Barbecue Day, Burger King, McDonald's. You know, say we always take them go those places.
Now they talk. So there are different type of going out. I just make example with you now. You happy you feel say na DJ you want to do. Okay, now about say you open company of Mr. Beast, you want lunch and you can say, okay, guy, dey with me. I can't carry my girlfriend. Could that one be art?
Not.
Now, no, we get different type of going out. Art is art. Happy wait till now one chop. We don't not get for inside house. So
no, you don't understand. Like to buy gifts. Or like now, tell your man make dress, make carry and go bar like this. You go pay for everything when I chop for them.
Okay, let me break it down. Let me break it down. If you want to take someone out, it is very important. Yes.
Okay.
So for me, for a girl, but may I tell you one thing? Out of 100 girls,
yes,
who did this life, apart from Oyibo no dey do that nonsense where Africa dey do, bro. More be sincere. Na only Africa girls wey dey watch me and you. I go reason and say, man, wetin this boy dey even talk? I dey mad. You understand? You go be like, I go take my heart. I don't know why you understand me. Plus, if you want to know,
yeah, everybody hear you.
If you want to know, you check am. How many times some girls dey very greedy? They just believe that from A to Z na man. Okay. Now, if it is very for me, it is very right. Not be say it is right, not wrong. It's not wrong. It's right for a woman to take his man. Not be say maybe na man wey you know a man to somewhere or take a man
Yeah.
out. It is very very right and also
Okay.
important. You understand? Just to take him out. Maybe the day your man not feel like to go out. No, normal. The day your man to go out, but you go want make your man go out with you, like Mr. Peace chopping whatever.
Yeah.
It is very very
Yeah.
right, eh? Nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the second
Eh?
topic.
My baby boy, they watch it.
No, go on. Go on. Say
Sorry
your
for the
mind.
time, man. Sorry for the time, but my talk at Chaplin. My talk this one. People they watch me and you, eh?
Yeah.
But don't forget this one. But I just want to say the truth. For the second question, now the 1 year so me I talk and I go talk on.
Okay.
For you to
What
date
you go
two
on?
girls.
Huh?
For you to date two girls.
You dey good to date
For
two
you to
girls?
date two girls. Yeah?
Okay.
You hear me?
Yeah. Yeah, they hear you.
Plus, not be your how to talk on. Not be say that when you come up for your mind say you want marry two girls or you want date two girls.
Okay. Okay.
Something they play. You know, say some boys go say, this girl na the date self. I be like her. You know, say now girl with the wicked person pass. Now most of our boys they like to call love, and that girl go call no call love there. Somebody like me, I still have someone that is looking at us that I've loved.
I go say
that I
the
love
first.
so
People
much,
are
but
waiting to
I
talk.
don't believe.
People they call.
I don't believe the person loves me, but I'm just trying to just let the person know that. Okay.
Okay.
For not to destroy my relationship that I am now. Ross,
Okay.
it's not good for you to date two girls at a time. Why am I saying this? Dating two girls at a time, you have a reason. But when you are not that like our you know the leg when my talker for your war now. May not be like I they hide my family. As for me,
Okay.
I'm a married man.
Okay.
You understand? So
Yes.
I'm with one kiss now. One kid now.
Okay.
I have a son, sorry.
Okay.
I have a son because English sometimes when you speak and go be like say you yourself not go school. So I want to bring myself to that level. So I have a
Okay.
son. So I cannot deny the mother of my son just because
Okay.
of one girl that I'm in love with. I don't know if you understand.
But sorry, you are not in love with the girl, just like her. Because if you are in love with her, you could have not go
No,
and
bros, might tell you something. I've been in love with two girls. I've been in
no,
love
that
with
is not love.
no,
That is
bros.
not
You
love.
don't
You
go feel
cannot love
others.
two
No,
people at
bros.
once.
It dey happen. It dey happen. There are two
No,
people
you
in this
cannot love two
life.
people at once. You
Listen to
cannot
me,
love two people
bro.
at once.
Bros, listen to me. You must agree with me. And this is a big argument. And you must agree with me. Now, because you never
Okay,
wear the
now.
shoe, I pray may you not wear am.
Okay.
You understand? There are some girls,
Amen.
you don't like them. You will be confused. It's just like devil, they walk like the way, devil almost they walk like the way Jesus Christ they walk. But when you tell no say devil na devil, now when your eye don't they see your ear. And then you tell no say devil na devil. You get why I tell you that word, bros? Because for you
Okay.
to date two girls, not be say initially na wetin you want for your life. Our father before they married three wives, wetin cause am? You think say na because of the pussy wey they get? No. Na because say they I don't know, man. I don't know you get one program wey you raise one time. I tell you say man, naturally, they are made to admire woman, whether married or not. You understand? So
Yeah.
we dey fear. We no wan lose two babes. We no wan lose one babe because of one babe. So better make you lose one
Yeah.
for one. Not before you go not lose the two. And if you lose the two, before you see those
Yeah.
kind of people, it go hard.
Yeah.
I don't know if you understand me.
Abi.
So
Yeah.
dating two guys. For me, I dey talk the point of guys now. I never talk the point of girls o. Because girls naturally they
Okay.
fit take 4, 5. No level for you. I mean they tell you. For boys, we dey
Okay.
even dey manage
Yeah.
2, 3. But
Okay.
we still dey doubt. What am I doing? Is it right? But where you know that what you are doing is right is when the 3 or 2 of them have different character. Then you know the one to go for. I'm just saying
Okay.
the truth. Believe me. So now when you don't go, that's what they say. Marriage is better for worst. If they sweet o, e no dey sweet o. You don't dey inside. You don't dey inside. You
Okay.
understand? Not going back. If they say make they talk
Yeah.
and say okay, make man not dey do the way woman dey do according to tradition. Wey they say if woman marry, make woman not dey go
Yeah.
outside go dey do the kolobi again. Na happy say man the same thing, the same rope na tie man. You understand? So
Yeah.
if you as a man go outside go dey chook leg for inside bush, go dey do another thing outside your wife, make you say instantly thunder go just strike that person die. Just so that kind of thunder dey exist. Bro, we no dey misbehave. For real, we no go dey misbehave.
Don't be lie.
So na because of say no be
Yeah.
our fault. Now say guys,
Yeah.
only one boy dey take 2 girl. Even the girl na one go
Yeah.
now dey tell you one go like am, but you no go know. That one go pretend say
Yeah.
e like am. Then one day you go tire for the pretending. Who
Yeah.
who really love you when people still dey see? They say na your friends go make you know you. Sometimes your friends can make you know your future wife. Your friend,
Yeah.
if your friend not make you know your future wife, your brothers, your mother, or rather, you know say before if you want, if our brothers who is seniors that time, if they want marry, if they carry the girl come house, now their mama dey tell them say this girl na better girl, marry am. Now some of the things they
Yeah.
marry. Not be now when we say we know they know how we want to marry. Our papa and mama not there. This one are Europe. But for me, sorry to say, for all those girls where they do how they do one. Me I get pikin and I love my woman now. As in I love her.
Okay.
You
Thank you
understand?
so
Because
much for that wonderful contribution.
before I know before I cut it now, before I get to a double mind. Even the woman that have a son for me now, she not me not be believe say na she I call it her. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
The woman when I get we get son for me now, I not believe say na she I call it her deal with. She might be watching us
Okay.
now or not. But I'm just saying
Okay.
this for those girls to understand that not be all guys love to date 2 girls.
Okay.
That's
Now
what
you
it is.
hit your
But
point.
naturally, they for girls to the date 10, 20 because they find the one way, especially this modern life, they don't want to suffer. They find the one way something
Go
suffer.
down.
And they tell you the truth. If as you say now, you go advise your sister not to date a poor guy. Me, I know you go advise her. But if for God say you two have never climbed like so daughter, I leave
I
you, I
don't get
leave
sister
everything,
again.
make
All of
people
them not
call
marry
me,
finish. All of them not marry finish. I don't get sister again. All of them not marry finish. All my sister, all of them not marry finish. They not there again.
I know, but before that, you in your mind, you know I'm saying the truth. In your own mind, you dey expect like babe, how far?
Ah,
I no go like make you go dey fuck up o. Me, I never climb. I want make you carry pass. Where dey try pass me o? 2 of us.
Abi.
Na so e be, bros. Na so you be.
No problem. Now, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. I hope you stay back and hear what other people have to say. If you want to come back, you can still come back.
No wahala, bros. I greet you.
All right, thank you. Okay, that one is from Suburbo, MC Suburbo, all the way from Italy. So you guys have heard what he said. So the line is still open, but before that, let me quickly read the comments. We have a lot of comments on this topic. This one coming from Miss Grace. Said, "Good evening, everyone. Okay, you're welcome." Miss Grace said, "It's not a crime to take your guy out." Okay, this one is coming from Yushe. Yushe said, three never work. Erica, okay. Erica is still at work. This one is coming from Miss Grace. Miss Grace said, but it's not good to have two boyfriend or two girlfriend. Okay, okay. This one is coming from Ruth. Ruth said, "Hello, you're welcome to the program." Creton Lionel said, "My village people they look you okay." Okay, correct. I said, "My village people they look you okay." And I don't hear and say village people they look the program. Okay, this one is coming from Creton. Said, "No, no, come kill us with English, oh, okay." Sobobo Elvis Marcus said, "That is not love, bro. You can't love two girls at once." I said it before. Okay, Lionel said, "You can love two girls at a time." I don't think it's possible. Okay, he said, "I get 12 girls, so okay." You struggle. This one is coming from Lionel as I said, "Girls get 14 boyfriends, five SIM card, okay?" Okay, Lena said, "If girl tell you say I love you, you go look time. Girl no sure." Man, take am again. Said, "If girl tell you say I love you, you go look time. Girls no sure." Okay, that's all I have at the comment box. Remember, the line is still open. The comment box is there waiting for you to comment, and you know how I normally do it. You call it, you call in or you send in your comment. So quickly, let me drop the announcement I've been making since let's say since over 2 or 3 weeks now. We are going to be inviting our first guest on this program next week Wednesday, which is 1st day of May, and it's public holiday. So I want everybody to get ready for our guests that will be coming that day. Please share the information, tell your friends about it. We are going to be having a very interesting topic that everybody would like to contribute to. Okay, so please just make sure you tell your friends about that and let us do this program together. His name is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odige. He will be the one to. Okay, you're welcome to the program. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Clinton Leones.
Okay, Clinton Leones. So
I'm the one that said I have 12 girlfriend. 12 girlfriend. I don't know the one I love.
Okay, how possible it is?
Said what?
How possible it is to have 12 girlfriends?
You are a guy now.
I go like get 15.
You know this is Europe. You can date dateable. You can date many girlfriends. I saw you are a man.
But bros, I think that one no be relationship. Oh.
Bros, there's a relationship. You can't put one girl as a hope. Maybe you can't get one girl as a hope, but at last, girl come fuck you up. You can't get heartbreak. I know you get heartbreak for Europe.
Okay, you know if you get heartbreak for Europe.
They get heartbreak for Europe. Get the privacy out when there is more fish in the river.
That means you never loved before now.
Bros, like love day. When the love don't pass. No when love today. Since 1989. That time Nukatere they come. All those Nukatere newcomers and I love today. There's no love. You trust the you know they trust women now. Women may get 20 SIM card or get 40 boyfriend. They'll tell you say Bob. See tell me what they call you.
Oh, you bad though. I think that's they get 20 boyfriend. 20 SIM card, 50.
Bros, you know what? No guess past devil. They left where guess. They guess no now. They know they self.
Okay, so in your own opinion, now it's right for you to get more than 2 girlfriends.
It's life. See, I should tell you, if you have like 3 girlfriends, you will know the one that is sure. It's not all girls. All girls are not sure. This one will claim I love. This one will claim I love you. Out of 3, you will see the one that is good out of the 3. You know. If you do not see one out of 3, you do not see the sure one out of the 3, you know you are the man, you are bad. You know, you have fault in your side. There is fault in your side. If man don't see 2 girls, 3 girls, out of 3 girls, you don't see the one in love. You don't see that man get fault. Okay. Whether our words, the words of our mouth strong or the words of our mouth still low, we need to brought up, you know. But the girls okay men don't know how to approach women. They don't know the way to pet women. Time of pet. The time of pet, you know, time of pet, you make sure the girl will be okay, pet the girl, and claim that I love you. But in your heart, if you know you love him, you will tell I love you too. Yes, in your heart is telling you that I love you. It's not when bad, you did not claim you love the girl, later you will not be telling I love you, I love you. Love is not a crime. If you don't love, tell the girl that I do not love you. He will look for another guy out there. It's not the one you are keeping the girl, keeping. You don't want to marry, you leave and make go now.
Okay. So you will get 12 girls. You will get your girlfriend now, height or height, they get all of them.
And God, as God see me be now, we don't shuffle then. The rifle one, we don't see the rifle one, we stick to one. Yes, now one man, one vote.
Okay. So last now, your advice is say to get many girlfriend no good. Now
I
since now one
don't, that is, you choose, they say, more are calling, few are choosing. Out of that 12, so I pick one. I see one out of the 12. Say yes, this one will be when there's no money, it will be there. When the money still finish, the girl will still be there.
Okay.
You don't know.
Okay, what about the first topic we are talking about? Because this one is just second topic you just pick up. So what about the first topic?
Like the first topic is what? Like ask me again.
Okay, the first topic is it a crime for a girl to take her man out? Because these days now, girls they complain say boys my boyfriend don't take me out, my boyfriend don't take me out. So now be say if they take that boyfriend out now, na crime.
Not be crime now. That can if girl no say if girl no say yes, say can take a boyfriend, they go take him out now for no. If you take him out, it not mean anything. Wow. And you feel still take him out, go flex. If money still there with the guy go still take the girl go flex. That's just it. It's
But
bad
you know
like
some of
that.
our girls, these days now they take it as if man not take them out na crime. Now already the man
they try now. If you don't say not be by force. If you don't say nothing take get out, you tell the girl say I don't want to take you out. If the girl say yes, he will take you out. He will still take you out. Buy what you want. Buy if the money there with the body, but will still take them out. Now yours same. Nothing big. But what you want to buy for the guy? Much what you buy for Europe? What you buy? If you buy of 1 million, you not get it me one. But not buy those carry go. What you want to buy for you? You want to buy food stuff for you? Man, do McDonald's store na dey. McDonald's na dey. What you can do? No food stuff now. No way to chop all those choppable. How much you want to spend? If you not spend reach up to 50 euro now. But sometimes you now be the key. Girls greedy. They don't want to give you, they get. All those greedy ones, they'll find the way to go one side. You'll find the one not they greedy. Normally you see they give you in terms of maybe you still there in the need. That is
okay.
It.
Okay, so thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. I hope everybody in the house have already heard what you said. So I hope you stay behind and hear from other people as well. I beg you to join us on Wednesday because I have a very important topic that Wednesday. I'm not the one that's going to be teaching that very day because we are having a guest. So he's going to be the one to be teaching us that very day. So you have the opportunity to ask your question and he will answer you.
And you're not my friend. Maybe somebody has shared this video so that I just see it.
Yeah, you can send me friend request.
Maybe you can pass whenever you come online, you can tag me with the video so that I can see it.
No problem. But if you send me friend request, I think that will be more easier.
Okay, now don't worry. Now I will do
whenever I'm online, you will know.
Okay, now take care.
Okay, now thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Okay. See you. So that's why I'm coming from Lioness, okay? He had just made his point. He said they have 12 girlfriends. But I don't think there's love there. I'm telling you the gospel truth. For person they date 12 girls. Well, sure. Not maybe the girl they date, but at least no still reason as small now. How you gonna date 12 girls? Nah, you guys get mine though. Now people get mine, sha. Well, that's his own life, you know. So that what are we not talking? What are we saying? What are we saying is that, please, girls, try to spice up your love life with your man. Sometimes take him out, buy him some clothes. At least take him out for a lunch, you know, even a dinner. You guys can go, you can pay for it because you paying for those bills. It's not going to reduce you from becoming who you are. Okay? It's kind of spicing your love up because even married men and married women, you can call your husband one day and say, honey, baby, sweetheart, baby, let's go out with the kids. I will fit the bills. Yes, you can do that. It doesn't reduce you from anything. It doesn't take anything away from you. Sure, just do it. At least, I'm not saying you should be doing that every day, but if you do it every day, fine. It will make your love life and your family to stick more together because whatever thing you do for a man that keep you at home as husband or as a girlfriend, as a boyfriend, whatever you do for him, it go a long way in his life. I think this is one of the keys to hold on to a solid relationship and a solid home. Sometimes make your man feel loved. Not only demanding, requesting. No. Sometimes take him out and say, honey, this time around, I want to fit the bills. I want to pay for everything we are going to be eating today. We are going to be eating out. Though we have food in the house, we have everything at home, but I want us to eat out today. No, you guys can go to a restaurant or even a fast food joint. Then you sit on table. You see that some of the discussion we'll be discussing there will be quite different from the one you are discussing at home. You understand? But when we're always at home, the same television, the same environment, nothing change. My God, come on. Nothing will change. Nothing will. You cannot spice up your relationship. You cannot spice up your love life. But once in a while, just take him out, go at least a shopping mall. You spend some time together in a garden. Have a quiet quality time. You see a different look of environment, a different change, a different shape of environment. You see that the conversation, the discussion, as in the atmosphere will be so friendly to you guys to discuss something tangible, something more different from what you have been discussing at home. Guys, girls, man, let's wake up on this slumber we are falling into every time. Not every time we stay at home, though yes, staying at home is good, but at least once in a while you go for the outing, change environment, learn something new, see how other people do live their own life and their love life. Try to spice up your relationship and your family, your home, by taking your man out. Take another dimension, take another step. Okay, I believe me, things will work out fine and things will change. You'll be surprised how come my husband now loves me so much this way. Wow, my boyfriend now loves me so much, I cannot even talk 2 words without mentioning me amongst them. Come on, let me not go too much far. Let me let me read out the comment box. Okay, we write on as we go. So you can call in, you can make your contribution by calling or by sending your text. Okay, this one is coming from Wilfred said, nice one, DJ Chris. Okay, thank you, my brother. I saw your text. Thank you so much for that recommendation. Thank you. Nice one. Okay, so the line is still open. You can still call. You can still make your contribution by text or by calling. So, like I was saying before, the last caller that called didn't interrupt. So, but that's all still the same. The announcement is by next week Wednesday. After today's program, we are going to have it again on Wednesday, and that Wednesday we are hosting our first guest on this program. Okay, we are going to host our first guest on this program. He's going to be teaching us in a very powerful word, in a very powerful section that everybody will need to hear. Both whether you are in a relationship or you are in marriage or you are planning to go into one. Okay, you're gonna learn a lot of things. Just believe me, just get your pen and your paper. You have to put down some certain things. Believe me, after hearing that program, after hearing from this our guest, believe me, your love life or your relationship, everything will take another shape altogether, and you have to thank God and thank me later for bringing that wonderful man of God, that wonderful guest onto this program. Okay, so the time remains 9 o'clock to 12 midnight, but I will be bringing him in exactly 10 o'clock. So don't say I didn't mention the time. So exactly 10 o'clock, I'll be bringing him in for him to come and teach us and for us to learn from him. So his name is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odigie, the General Overseer of Bread of Life Ministry International. He's going to be our guest on 1st of May 2019, which is next month, probably next week, Wednesday. So please keep this date and you'll be glad that you join us on that program. So without not taking so much of your time, let me quickly go back to the comment box. Remember, the call app is always open for you to call in and I'll bring you to the camera. You say your mind. Remember the topic we are dealing on today. The two topics we are dealing on today is: number one, is it a crime for a woman to spend on her man by taking him out? Then number two is it right as a guy, as a girl, to have two boyfriends or two girlfriends? Because if he says it's right, why do you have to love two? That means there's no love in that relationship or in that area of life. Because I believe one man, one wife, there should be loved. Okay, so if you think I'm getting it wrong, you can call in or you can send in your comments. I'm here to serve you, and I'll read it for the audience to hear what you just wrote in, or you can call, everybody will hear you out. Okay, let me quickly go back to the comment box. This one is coming from Pretest Rita. I said nice topic. Okay, thank you. This one is coming from if Oluwa Gold. Please, if I mistakenly pronounce your name, I'm so sorry. I no go school. Now the one where I study rich, I chop my school fees. Now place where I chop and rich. Now me I got the speak. So I beg no verse. If I mistake pronounce your name, I know sabi any book. Oh, na any book was sabi na vegetable leaf like ogo, bitter leaf, and okra leaf, that kind of thing. Please, if I mistake pronounce your name, don't get me wrong. Please forgive me. So God said, Clinton Linus, how many girlfriends you get? He said get 12 girlfriends. So just imagine one guy get 12 girlfriends. Say love no dey Europe. Say you no fit get for Europe as long as Europe is concerned. You no fit get heartbreak. I tell you about me. I see even the reason I've got for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Haba. Brother, too much. I greet you. I throw a salute. Okay, this one is coming from God. God say nice talk. Okay, you're welcome. This one is coming from You share said, when some men have 12 girlfriend, what to it this man? What to is this man? What, how old? Okay, our white woman when they watch us from all the way from Switzerland, the same man ask you, Linus, he said, make I ask you, how old are you to have 12 girlfriend? Oh boy, you don't shake them with this night with this 12 girlfriend of 18 we talk. Their head on boss. I talk am before say this 12 girlfriend of 18, love no dey there. Oh. And they talk and pump and play. Cause me too, a surprise to get 12 girlfriend. I still salute you again. I salute your ministry. Nah, you're double. You're double. Okay, there's no problem. I greet your ministry. So that's it on the program of today. So the line is still open. You can call in, you can make your contribution. In case you don't know the topic, quite all right, you can ask me. I'm here to serve you and to let you know how it's been done. Please continue sharing the program, invite your friends. I know that many people will not like to call because this topic of is it right to have 2 girlfriends or 2 boyfriends? Many people they feel they don't go open their eyes because I know that so many guys, everybody have more than 2, 3 girlfriends. Forget some of they had up and down and they pretend say this one, that one. Men are talk, is it right? As girlfriend, because yes, even because let's take it into practical. I've met one girl that is dating 2 girls. Let me start with that one. And I asked the girl, why are you dating 2 guys? Does it mean you just love 2 guys at once? Do you know what this girl tell me? What the girl tell me was so shocking. She opened up and said that she only love one. Then the other one where she put for reserve, not to they collect money, they give the other one. When they hear talk, just imagine. Get mine, say they collect money from the other one, they give the other man. Then I was forced to ask her, okay. For instance, this program is mature program. We are doing mature program, so every word has to be said, has to be spoken. Understand? I was moved to ask her like, you're dating 2 guys, yes, and you're collecting money from one and be giving to the other one. I say yes, okay. In terms of sex, how do you satisfy them? As in, the one you say you didn't love, how come do you make love to him, something like that? He said, nothing there. Sometimes if you no go even give and the main thing make she do. You no go even give and the main purpose make the guy do. If you just open leg, that kind of thing, the guy will say the for but no the for. Just imagine what get the vomit for man the talk. Just imagine. So guys, let us shine our eye. Not only girls, I even asked one guy, say, guy, how far they date 2 girls? And I know what the guy talk. The guy say, if this one no show up, in case Konji Holland. If Konji Holland like this one no show up, we go call the other one, take and brush up the Konji. Just imagine. Which means no even love any of them. Just they change them like clothes, just the fork, not just the fork, not just the. And those girls now go move, they say my boyfriend. Hey, I beg we'll go to the comment box. I beg we'll leave matter for Matthias. I remember when I comment, I make my own expression. Okay, this one coming from Bros Sabobo Elvis Marco. I said, that is not love. Fine. You are my group. Thank you for that. And this one is coming from Peleto is one of our great partners. You always join us on this program. Please keep on sharing the program. Keep on inviting people that they should know that the program already started. Okay, this one is coming from Peleto. He said, greetings, brother. Okay, you're welcome to the program. And Bros Sobobo Elvis Marcos said she will not open legs. Not, I don't know how, women, only God will save us for women. I know say they have so many tricks. So if any woman, anyway, God knows how. I don't know how to put it, but that's what she just said. Just collect money from this one and be giving the other one. Just imagine. And that one now go just balance now. Say woman they give her money, they collect. You can never sit down and ask that girl, okay, how come are you getting all this money you are giving to me? Now how come about all those things? Because I know that a reasonable guy can never allow another man to share his girlfriend or to share his girlfriend with him. For me, I can't even imagine seeing my gear, another man. No, nah, too much now. As in the pain will be much. I can't even imagine such a thing to happen. Understand? So, guys, it's high time we guys should wake up. Okay. So the line is open. You can call in, and in case you don't know the topic, you can ask me. I will explain it back to you, and you can call in and make your own contribution. Everywhere, pepper soup for the topic you are dealing on today. So please hit the calling button. Let's hear from you and know what you're saying. Okay. Rashford, you're welcome back to the program. Rashford said hi. You're welcome. It has been a while. It has been a while. So you're highly welcome to the program for today. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's okay. He said, I'm here now. Okay, I'm here now. I am now here. Rashford, you're welcome. It has been a while. So you're welcome back. So I guess you know the topic we are dealing on today. In case you don't know, you can call and I'll explain the topic for you, then make your own contribution. You understand? So today we are hitting it raw, okay? Because so many things are happening. You really want to make it open. Some guys and some girls need to be real in whatever they are doing, okay? So these two topics we are dealing on today, I think is very, very important. It's very, very vital, okay? Can I know the topic? Okay. Marcus Rashford say the topic for today, we are dealing on two topics. The first topic is it a crime? Is it a taboo for a woman to take a man out? Make I talk am for pidgin English, maybe say everybody go understand now. Is it a taboo? Because most of our Nigerian people, more just say Nigerian, most especially we Africans, we say our women always take it as if it's a crime for them to take their man out, but they don't know that it's part of the key to make the relationship or the family to be more stronger. That's number one question. That's number one topic, rather question. Then the second topic is it a rightful thing for a girl to have two boyfriends or for a guy to have two girlfriends? So if you think it's the correct thing, so let us know your own opinion. So this one is coming from Beloved Odele. Okay, Beloved Odele, I greet you. He said, see you, my person. Okay, thank you so much for remembering me, for greeting, for sending your greetings to me. Thank you so much for joining my program today. You're welcome to the program. I hope you're going to join yourself. You're going to enjoy the program as well. So this one is coming from Bro Sobobo Elvis Marcos. Bro Sobobo Elvis Marcos said, he said, if a guy you collect money from your girlfriend, please, you have to stop, because the way some of them see the money is not good, okay? That is own advice for guys that are collecting money from girls without asking for the source. So please, at least we know that it's good for a girl to give man money sometimes. May I use broken talk this one here? Because no be only Nigerians they watch this one, because some white people they watch this one, man, no can't speak the one with the go understand, they look us like somehow, and I make I want use our Nigerian English talk this one. So I beg some guys, men are the reason some things, some of this money when I collect from all those girls, men I ask some certain questions. That's what bros Elvis Marcos is trying to say. They are not coming from the right source, okay? And it's not that much 100% advisable for guy to sit at home collecting money from gear. You don't know how the money come about, the source of the money. So please, we guys we should try and readjust some things that is causing us some havoc. It's causing us some backwardness in life. You understand? So reason twice, think twice, okay? Thank you for that advice for our young guys out there. The program is let's educate each other, let's educate ourselves, let's educate one another. That's the program is being meant for that, okay? So please, if you are joining us for the first time today, remember, we are going to be having our first guest on this program by next week, Wednesday. And our guest is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odige is going to be our guest that very particular day. So please, I urge you guys to get your good listening ear. Just get your good listening ear, get your pen and your paper for you to write down some certain things, and you're going to be asking some questions, and he will be right here, live and direct, to answer your questions. Okay, remember, the line is still open. You can call in to make your contribution, or you can send it through comments and I will read it. I'm here to serve each and every one of you. Okay, let me quickly go back to the comment and see what is happening there. Okay, this one is coming from Erica. Yushel and Erica said, if God would like to have, okay, let me go back. He said, if God would like to have more than one person, he would have done it that way. Erica and Yushel, the white women that are following us up on this program all the way from Switzerland, just sent their own comment. He said God doesn't want it that way. That's why he make one man, one woman, one man, one woman, and also to help each other. Okay, you're welcome to the program, my brother. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, you're welcome to the program.
I greet you, bro. So.
Okay, you're welcome. So what do you have to tell us on the topic we are dealing on today? I hope you have the topic, right?
I greet the house. So.
Okay, everybody don't hear you. Hear you.
Yeah. Wait, I get to talk about the program now. Now, you know, say, now
sorry, first laugh.
you know, say, now Europe people, everybody get their own Huxley. Yeah. You understand? Everybody get their own Huxley when they think they okay. Like you see some boys when be say, man, collecting money from girls, now be their Huxley. Some boys when be say, man, they not send their any girl money. But collecting money from girl is very wrong. Which money from her, use it to clothe yourself, use it to send it to Nigeria or anywhere, is very wrong. Because you don't know how the girl get that money, where you get the money from, and if she's a working type, if she's a working type and you are kind of a lazy type, you don't want to work, or maybe you are not a lazy type, not that just that you haven't got a job and you don't want to do one or two things to get this money. So if she's a working type, she can give you money just to assist, make sure that you are okay. But if you are just a lazy type, you don't want to work, you depend on collecting money from girls, is very wrong.
Okay.
It's very wrong.
So
like me, maybe sometimes if I'm not that financially buoyant, I can definitely, maybe my girlfriend, she's okay, she works. So I can ask my girlfriend, give me 100 euro first, send me 100 euro first. Definitely. I'll call her, send me 100 euro. Maybe some things just happen during the month, during the week. So send me 100 euro first, because I know say she's working. She will send the money, and she believes that I'll pay back.
Okay.
I will pay back the money. If I collect money from her, I'm going to pay her back with the highest amount she gives to me. I will times it for her. So, but collecting money, baby, send me 50 euro, send me 100 euro. I want to do this one. I want to do this one. It's not good. And secondly, it's not good. That one I just normal talk. It's not good say you come to share boyfriend with another boy. And that boy won't get sense. You know, go try him now. It just be like say.
The point is, what you get to talk about the first topic will be say, is it a taboo or a crime for a woman to take a husband out or a boyfriend out?
It's a taboo.
Our guests don't take a license and crime.
It's a taboo. It's unfair. It's unfair because she don't. Even if girl want take you out, he go give you the money. Say, baby, take. Mo just go McDonald's. Mo just go Chinese. Go chop Chinese. All those Gamberry. He will give you the money. Say, baby, take. You hold him. You be the one to pay. Not be say get take you out. What did she get? What did she want? What did she want back give you?
Okay. Okay, your own idea with this one. Say now get to take man out now.
If she volunteer to take me out, I will be the one to pay there. She will not be the one to pay.
Okay, that's your own opinion. Well, for me, it's not. It doesn't matter who pays.
It's matter. Who pays matter. Who pays matter.
But here in Europe, white women, white girls do take man out and pay.
No. You
haven't seen that?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, that's the own opinion.
Like if you don't go to cafe bar, you see and say some girls even day if he and the boyfriend come outside. If now €1.50, €1.50 for cafe. If now this one drink, now this one go pay you, this one go pay you. It doesn't ask this person this one to come and pay. Sometimes the man go to tell the girl say may leave and the girl go say no. Okay. The girl go pay you. Man go pay you. Now so many I don't see her. Except say the girl the boy they do birthday. He don't go pay finish. If the girl can't go there, he go pay on behalf of those girls when he can't go there. But if now they are present, everybody go pay you. They not go agree. Those girls not go agree. Make the man pay.
Okay, that's your own opinion. What of the second topic? Having two boyfriend or having two girlfriend is it good?
That is. It's as if you are just using remote without no television, so it will not on. That one not just make we they talk. That one is not possible. Me, I will like that for inside my room. My girlfriend will call, say, hey, baby, that boy, when I tell you about that day, they call me, I want to go see him. Are you normal?
Oh, okay, you as a guy now, good for you to have girlfriend, two girlfriends.
So yes, I'm a man.
Okay, you see, huh? Okay, people are watching now, and I see, you see the pattern we talk about.
I'm a man. It's possible for me because.
Okay, don't say you're a man now.
Yes.
Because you're a man now, you can do whatever you want.
Why I tell you about that one? Be say, man, they marry more than two wives. Woman cannot marry more than one husband.
But it's not good now.
It's now waiting God take create man. Now waiting now the hobby where God take create man. Now you go control.
Now we
bros, all men matter you something. You will be the one to change yourself. All men are cheaters. All men in this world. It's you that you control yourself. It's you that you change yourself. If you are a kind of person who cannot control himself, you find yourself victim. Even pastors, you feel say, man, now all those pastors when they make sex with people, wife, they not know what that they preach. All men now what God take create man. All men.
No, bros, I go tell you something what God create, because if you reason now, God creates man. Come on, one create one woman for her.
Now the rain when he come out, now the man they find the go. Now the rain when he come out, now the man they find the go for all women body. He never seen her.
Okay, we have another caller in the building. Just random. Let me bring another caller so you can hear what that person have to say. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Let me bring another person in now. Oh, okay. So as we are bringing another person in on this platform, let me also read out some comments. This one is coming from Peleto. On a PDF, right? Peleto said, nowadays, okay, let me have I will read it later. Okay, you're welcome to the program. What's your name, please? You're welcome to the program. What's your name?
Rita.
Okay, Rita. So what do you have to say about the topic we are dealing on today?
First and foremost, it's not a crime for a girl to take her boyfriend out or for a woman to take her husband out. It is not a crime. Okay. This is a modern age. You can spice up your relationship. Try to do something good. So it's not a crime. My friend wants to continue.
But
hello, it's not a crime.
Yeah.
It's not a crime for a girl to take his man out. You understand? In every
Okay.
relationship, the girl has to
Yeah.
support and the guy has to support. You don't only depend on the man. You don't put every responsibility on the man. You
Okay.
don't let your boyfriend or your husband to do everything in a relationship. Sometimes you support your man. You understand? So that the
Okay.
relationship can grow up. When you keep
Okay.
demanding from a man, always when a man takes you out, you want to pay. You went to a restaurant, you go to shopping, he pays. One day he's going to get tired of it, and then
Okay.
you don't have anything to say. You understand? You are a guy.
Yeah.
I'm a lady. Sometimes you
Yeah.
you you make your guy know that you are you are you want him to know that you care about him. You understand? You want to
Okay.
show him that
Yeah.
yes, that love is still existing in that
Yeah.
relationship. You make him feel
Yeah.
happy in that
Yeah.
relationship. You understand? To keep a man,
Yeah.
have to contribute, and he has to contribute. Without you contributing, that relationship is not going anywhere. That man will always think that you are with him because of his money. You are with him because of his
Yeah.
pocket. You understand? So sometimes you
Yeah.
share your happiness with him. It's not a crime for a girl to take his man out and pay for it. It's not a crime.
Okay.
It's not a
Okay. Thank God this one is coming from girls. Thank God you guys are hearing them. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
For the
no.
second topic, what do you have to say about the second topic? What do you have to say?
What's the second
Is
topic?
it good? Is it good for a guy, as a girl you are now, is it good for you to have two boyfriends
No.
or two girlfriends?
No, I want to talk.
Okay,
It
why?
is not good for a girl to have
Okay.
two boyfriend. Though if you are dating
Okay.
somebody, you guys are not married yet, so you can do whatever you want to
Yeah.
do. So me, it's not good
Okay.
for a girl to have
Yeah.
more than one boyfriend. No,
Okay.
fact say they know they trust man these days. Yes, that one day.
Yeah.
But the thing are vice
Okay.
versa. Is both from the fault is both from the men and the women.
Okay.
So it's not good.
Okay.
If you love a man,
That's what we are doing on the two side today. That's what we're doing it on the both
you will
side.
not talk.
Let me talk.
I was telling you this
Anita,
thing.
wait.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
No, let me tell you. You said is it good for a girl to double date, have more than?
Have
Let me tell you, there are many reasons for a girl to have more than one boyfriend. You understand?
okay, we are all yes, everybody here. You tell us.
Tell us.
Tell us now.
Wait,
We are hearing.
I
We are
thought no,
listening to
I would definitely because one in this modern age now, no guy is faithful to his girlfriend, and no girl. Wait,
But I'm,
quiet. It's not because
but I'm faithful now.
It's not because a guy is not faithful to his girlfriend that will make a girl to double date. No, you can actually double date. One with girls double dates. You understand? When you have a rich guy as a boyfriend, and you have a friend that is interested in you, and maybe because you see your boyfriend is cheating on you, not he's not feeling good about you, and he's making you less of yourself, you can actually double date and make, if you are collecting something from the rich guy, you can actually support the one who is not rich. You understand? It's not double dating is not about sex or loving the person. You can actually double date by helping the other guy. You understand? It's not a crime for a girl to double date. Wait, no.
Okay.
I'm telling you the truth. It's not a crime for a girl to double date as long as you are
Okay.
into a boyfriend. But if you are into a marriage, if you've gotten yourself a man and you know you want to spend the rest of your life with him, then you can stop double dating. You understand?
I beg you, it's a lie.
It's not a lie. I'm
Don't
saying
talk.
the truth.
Okay. I beg.
It's a lie.
I beg. When I settle myself, for open the world.
Love it, no well. Don't listen to her. It's a
Thank
lie.
you.
It's a lie.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. When I settle myself for that. I mean, when I settle myself for them, have a lot of color in the building, please. So you have heard what she said. He said it's good for a girl to have two girlfriends. Another guy I call he said it's a taboo for a girl to take my heart. The house is on fire. The house is on fire. The house is on fire. Please, man. No, I'm bringing whatever the question they have, the file where they ask. You are bringing another person to the camera. Okay. You're welcome to the program. What's your name?
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, welcome to the program. What's your name?
Good evening. My name is
Yeah,
Gift.
you're welcome to the program.
My name is
Okay,
Gift.
Gift, you're welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome to the program.
I
Yeah.
want to.
I hope you.
The what the
I hope you know the
lady,
topic you are discussing.
the two ladies just now what they said. The last one, the guy said, it's not a crime for a girl to double date. It can be dating a rich man and be supporting one that does not have. What will you call that? That is not helping the rich. You are only trying to use yourself as a prostitute to save the other one. Understand? You cannot tell me that I should date two guys. I will be sleeping with one, all because I need money to save the other poor one. What will you call that? That is foolishness. It's better you start life with the one you know you love. You don't want to double date. You date one guy, the guy is poor. You date the guy, and both of you plan life together to become rich. Not sleeping with the rich one just to say you want to date. What are they saying? They are provoking me here. They are making me go crazy. Why would we get date two boys?
No, nobody to provoke you, please. Calm down. That's why I said to be water. Let me quench the house is on fire. Let me quench the house.
Don't worry. But it's not, no.
Okay.
I know it's a crime for a guy to double date. Before a guy will double date, maybe the girl, one, the character is not okay, or the girl is not okay, or the boy have not seen the girl that he wants to marry. I'm not supporting the boys to double date to understand. But if a girl if a boy find a girl that he loves, he don't need to double date. If I know that this guy cannot take care of me, I better date the rich man that will take care of me. Not dating the rich man. At the same time, sleeping with the poor one. When I got pregnant, who will be responsible for the pregnancy? The rich shall be the poor. So the guy should stop it. Should stop saying that. It's not good for a girl to double date two boys at the same time. I will call back later.
The one they have to.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. When I don't hear hey, the house is on fire. 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 So that's it. Let me quickly read the comments you have here. Okay, we have another caller in the journey. Call don't too much. Hey, welcome to the program. What's your name?
Innocent too.
Okay, so what do you have to say about the two topics you are dealing on today?
The first topic you said, is it right for a girl to take her boyfriend?
Is it a taboo? Is it a crime? Is it a crime for a woman to take her husband out or her boyfriend out? That's the first topic. The second topic is it right for a guy to have two girlfriends or a girl to have two boyfriends? So please make your point. There are a lot of comments.
Okay, that's true. For the first topic, I can tell you it's not a crime. It's not a crime for my girlfriend to take me to a boutique and buy me clothes, because if my girlfriend is not doing that, meaning she's not sexy. When see, that is truth. You understand? If my girlfriend is not taking me to a boutique to go and buy me clothes, meaning that my girlfriend is not sexy. You understand?
Yes.
You want to date. You see this boyfriend of 18, it's not an easy thing. Before you can see a cute guy, it's not an easy thing. It's not an easy thing. You understand me? You understand? If I'm dating a girl now, you don't want to, assist me, or meaning she does not love me. How can you be dating a girl every day? You are the one that is spending, always spending. Does not make any sense. At least if you are dating a girl, sometimes, not always, sometimes the girl will just take you for surprise. Baby, I just bought you this thing, something like that. That is called love. Not I love you, baby, I love you, kiss me, I love you. No. You see this African mentality. Baby, I love you. Kiss. My brother, if you say you love me, you show it, you prove to it. So, bro, it's not a crime for your girlfriend to take you to a boutique and buy you clothes, because if you want to know that your girlfriend is sexy, she must be acting those sexy things by buying those things, showing love, not by sex, not by going to bed, romance, all those ones. All those ones are not part of the love. The love is that caring.
Okay, what about the second topic? Because a lot of people are calling.
Okay, about the second topic, you said, is it right for a guy to have two girlfriends? I can tell you this second topic,
if you are not vigilant, you will put yourself in trouble, especially if you are in a serious especially if you are in a serious relationship. If you don't put yourself well, you will just spoil everything. And because right now I'm talking on air and everybody's watching me now, even my friends on Facebook posts. You understand? I can tell you.
So you're a victim of two girlfriends.
I can tell you, it's not good. It's not good for a guy to double date. Likewise for the girl, it's not good. But you see the society we are living now, anytime can be 6 o'clock. Let me use that word. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. So, my brother, I'm telling you the truth. That's why you see those are our guys that always double date. I don't blame them. They have their own reason. They have their own reason why they are doing such thing. Because, for example, now you are dating again now. You have already given out 80% of your love. What if now happen? What in this life you have to have two lifelines. You understand? I'm telling you the fact. You have to have two lifelines. What if something happen on the way? You understand? You have to have two lifelines. You understand? I can tell you this is a thing of a choice. You understand? It's a thing of a choice, but it's not good to double date. And I find out that these things always occur to our guests, especially our guests in Europe here. You will see a girl have 10 boyfriends. I was talking to a girl, though she's not my girlfriend though. We are just normal friend. And she was like, I have a 7 boyfriend. I was like, this girl, is she a demon? He said she have 7 boyfriends. I told her, what are you using those boyfriends to do? Are they giving you money? You understand? It's not good.
Yeah.
You will see a girl now. She's coming to your house now. She will change her SIM card. If you go to where they are selling SIM card now, even when I was in Nigeria, if you go to where they're selling SIM card now, you will see girls line up. They have more than 10 SIM cards. Because the day they will go to Paul house, they will change that line. The day they will go to Matthew house, they will change that. The day they will go to Peter house, they will change line. So that's why you as a man, you as a vigilant man, you don't need to put your lifeline on women. You understand? You have to be vigilant.
Okay. Round up. People are calling.
Okay, let me round up. Let me round up on this. If you are a guy and you don't want depression to hold you, especially in this room, you have to have two lifeline. Two lifeline. You don't need to depend. See, bros. Even though my girlfriend even though she online now, they watch me. I go what I want to talk, I go talk. If she want follow me, make she follow me. She don't want follow me, she don't follow me. You understand? I'm a man of my word. I don't take rubbish. Yeah. My advice for our young guys out there, bro, you need to have two lifelines. We shouldn't put our trust in just one girl, because anytime can be 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
That's my case.
Okay, thank you so much for that contribution. Okay, same behind I hear from other people. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. The thing is hot too. It's hot. See, it's 9 o'clock. We'll start program. Nobody want call now. People want the call. But if you are calling, just make it snappily. Just make your contribution quickly, please. Hello, you're welcome to the program. Hello. Okay, that's, by the way, you have so many callers in the building. Okay. Before we bring the caller into the camera, let me read this.
Hello.
Okay, you're welcome to the program. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Obaba John.
Okay, what do you have to say about the topic we are discussing today?
About the dating.
Yeah,
you know, suppose
2 girls or 2 boys.
Yeah, I didn't suppose for a girl should be dating 2 boys. It's a taboo. You understand?
Okay.
It's not good, man.
Yes.
When you are dating 2 boys, you don't love anyone. You need to love one. When you love one, you date one. For example, you are dating 2 boys. Maybe there is issue. You don't know the one you will.
Just quickly around because other people are calling.
Yeah, you don't know the one you will tell about your issue. You understand? You need to stay in one place. It's not good for you to be going here and here. It's not good. You understand?
Okay.
When you want to live a
Yeah.
good life, you need to date one boy. Like what Innocent was saying, he said some girls they have 10 SIM card. Yeah, there are many
Yeah.
girls that do that in Europe. When they are going to
Yeah.
Joshua house, they use a wind. Because when they use wind, you that have Leica, you can't call that wind. It's not good. It's not really good.
Okay.
Really, eh? There are many girls that are
Yes.
doing that in Europe. If they like, they don't like what I'm saying, no, they insult me, no problem. But I'm just saying the truth. They should change. You understand?
Okay.
It's not
Then
good.
is it good for a guy? Yeah, is it good for a guy to have two girlfriends?
Well, for a guy to have two girlfriends, it's not good. Still, it's not good. I don't advise that. When you are dating one
Okay.
girl, your
Then
girl
what be
is submissive to you. You can't have two
okay.
girlfriends. We have one girlfriend.
Then
You
okay,
understand?
what about the first topic? Is it a crime for a woman to take a man out? Is it
No,
a
no, no.
crime?
It's not a crime. It's very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
That
So
one, that one, it's
okay.
not anything. It's just a normal thing. It's real.
But black people don't take a like a crime.
It's not crime, man. It's very nice. I love that. When your girlfriend take you out, it's good. You take your girlfriend out,
Okay.
it's good. But if it is only the boy that take the girl out every time, buying, shopping, doing everything, it's not good. Just like the girl didn't love the boy. You understand? You need to show
Okay.
love to your boyfriend, and your boyfriend will show
Yeah.
love to you. You
Okay.
understand?
Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Let me quickly read
I
the first
greet you.
comment.
You too
Okay.
much.
Love is
One
paid
love.
back. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, that one from John Matthew. Okay, let me quickly, please. People are calling. You just have to hold on. Let me quickly rush down the comment to have on the box. Then I'll bring another person to the camera. Okay, let's go. Peleto said nowadays relationship are for business. This is one of the reasons I took my time to find a partner. I had been in many relationships and I didn't waste my time. As soon as I found out that the girl are keeping many boyfriends. One of the signs you will notice is if the girl is not dedicated in the relationship, walk away, and any guy that is collecting money from a girl is cost. Okay, this one coming from Rita. Rita said so girls don't they do blood money. Okay, Elvis Marcos said I agree to you, brother. Okay, beloved Odili said Mama Bianca, one of Italy, have a question. Okay, there's no problem. You say send me the question in my inbox. Okay, now this one's coming from Rita. Rita said it's not a crime. Elvis Marcos said Mama, go ahead. Go ahead with the question. Drop the question to the house. Okay, this one is coming from beloved Odili. He said, call me. I can't call you. I don't know. It's going to call me. I'll bring it to the camera. This one is coming from Femi. Femi Fumilayo said, good evening, man. Okay, good evening to you. Then Rita said, call me, okay? Elvis Marcos said, bros, it's not possible, okay? Femi Fumilayo said, happy Sunday. I wish you all the best, my sister. This one is coming from Michelle. He said, in Switzerland, it is normal when a woman wants to say thank you for a man to invite him. Okay, Peleto said a good guy don't need two girlfriend. My guy, correct yourself. All men are not cheaters. Okay, Bros Marcos said that is self-interest. Okay, that is selfish interest. Okay. Okay, this one is coming from Lovette Johnson. Lovette Johnson say hi. Nice. This one coming from Elvis Marco. It says nice contribution from my sister. Okay, this one is coming from you. You say love is not money. Aunt money is not love. Okay. Marcus Rashford said I believe that. Okay. Femi Fumula said yes. Okay. Pretty Rita just laugh. You share say people why lying in 2019? Why like that women or men is the same. Okay. You share say good, yeah, okay. Rita said no verse, okay. Bros Elvis Marcos said no contribution from Sister Faith, okay. Rita said, okay, he said nice contribution from Sister Faith, okay. Rita said it's very wrong for a guy to double date, okay. Love Johnson just said nice one. Then beloved, what did he say? Call me. I can't call you. I don't know. He's gonna call. Femi Fumla said nice one. Okay. Alex Osazo said happy Sunday. Wish you all the best. Rita said guy you funny. Okay. Femi Fumla said call me. I can't call you. I don't know. That's gonna call me. Clint Kelton or Bozu said funny program, nice one. Okay. Pretty Stanless said you are the one to prove it. Okay. Alex said okay. Marcus Rashford said for favor comments. Okay. Pretty Stanless said really. Unless Osazuwa says nice one. Opo Joma to say my house. Okay. Nigeria so guy. This one's coming from Rashford. Rashford said Nigerian English, please. No Opo Joma to said no be lie. Okay. You said the 12 women boy with Nigerian English. Okay. Pretty Stanley said this is Libya. 6 o'clock. Okay. Clinton was said as it the hot. Okay. This one is coming from Roland said no be lie. Roland said get 5 SIM card. Okay. Love it, Johnson. I said I'm calling. Look, I'll pick your call. Mavis Benz Wachuku said pick my call. Look, I'll pick your call. This was coming from Chuku said all this relationship for Europe now scam. Okay, I'm coming. Hello, who is this? Hello. Okay. Okay, to call, just for someone to help you, just go here and say invite on the program or add program. You will see where they will say call. Just search, you will see there. Okay, okay. Just call, please. I have a lot of calls. Please, I have to go back to all my. Okay, the comments remain small. Let me finish it up. Okay, this one say all the relationship for Europe on a scam. Okay, Mavis Benz Wachuku said it's sweet for a girl to take the girl for outing. Okay, John Paul said now the food where the sweet goats now they kill the goats. Now parable I make so. Okay, Pretty said last Europe relationship na scam. Okay, Leonard said that's why boys they use their head, they use their how pants they use how pants point tell them buy Benz. Okay, Rita said God they watch you. Okay, let's just go back to caller. Okay, let's start from this one. Okay, so who do we have in the building? Please. Once you okay, we lost that caller. Let's bring another person to the podium. Okay, you have another caller connecting. So please keep on calling. You are going to bring you all to the camera. You're going to speak your mind. Okay. Yes, we have another caller in the building. Okay, you're welcome to the program.
Good evening. My name is John Paul, all the way from France.
Okay, you're welcome to the program. So what do you have to say about the topic we are discussing?
Yeah, like the first topic, bros, like if it's right for women to carry my heart. Let me use my normal English. English is my language. Bros, now we bad to say woman carry a guy go out say you want to go do shopping because at least na part of love and to show appreciation say a guy they try you.
Okay.
And two, make the girl for say no say yes. This man not be smart they do. The guy they try.
Okay.
So that I for sure. Not be bad thing.
Okay.
The other one bros.
Yeah.
See, guy with the day to get bros. I know the reason I say that one a guy. Trust me.
Okay.
Nowhere.
Why?
Nowhere. Good or bad. If that one fuck up, you get the right to move on with your life. You not go die.
Yes.
That is, as this people say, baby, if I'm not married today, I go die. If you die today, that get other 6 months, that get don't marry you. No, bros. Check out now, bros.
Yeah,
if the guy, if you don't die today, now that get don't marry you. You go marry, life still continue.
Okay.
So it's very wrong, Make one guy get to get. It's very, very wrong.
Okay.
And two bros, listen now. Live with the sweet goat. Now, party won't make so, Now they kill the goat.
Okay.
You hear me, bro? If you be guy with the day two boys, when they date two girls, For your man say one go like, one not go like. If you dey date one girl, at least try your best to make her the kind of woman where you want her to be.
Okay.
Try all your best to make her say, because I say no woman dey perfect, but now you go make her to the test where you want. Now you go build down to the test where you want.
Okay.
Forget about the talk with people with the talk. Now you go build down to your own satisfaction, the way you think need them for your life, the way you think wants me to do things.
Yeah.
So the girls.
Round up, yeah, just a round up because many people are calling. We have about 5 people calling.
Then to the girls with the double dates, where they carry this thing, bros. I was not frustration. I will call it na frustration. They worry this kind of people. At last, they're not going to see people that won't marry. I swear to God, because they go confused for their life. Yeah.
Okay.
Any guy with the day 2 boys now, wrong thing now. What you want 2 boys? We got to say now one they be say he make them men and female, not be saying men and females, not make all of them plenty. Only when I make them put. As a guy with the date 2 boys, what you want the 2 boys to do? How many prick you want to collect once?
Okay.
How many prick? Not the same prick they get now they get. They find they do for. I mean, the money when they give you.
Okay.
Bro, it's a wrong thing for even for this Europe. If you get with the date 2 boys or the date 3. Yes. What you want to do? Now, which kind of money you find? How much you define when you not get?
Okay.
So bro, my advice is that stick to one. Stick to one. That be my advice what I get.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Okay. Thank you for that so much contribution. I hope you stay behind and hear from other people as well. Thank you so much. Okay, that one is from John Paul, all the way from France. Okay, we are bringing another person to the camera. I know we are going to be doing it. So it's going to be sharp. Please, once you connect, make your contribution quickly. Okay, you're welcome to the program. It has been a while, brother.
Good evening, my brother.
You're welcome. Your name, please.
I'm Kevin, calling from Italy.
Okay, so what do you have to say about the topic today?
To restart, what is the topic of today?
Okay, the first topic is it a crime or is it a taboo for a girl to take her husband out or a boyfriend out? That's number one topic. The second topic is, why is it right for a guy to have 2 girlfriends or is it right for a girl to have 2 boyfriends?
Well, it's not an abomination if your girl take you out.
Okay.
Because love of a thing is vice versa. It's what you give, you will take. You can never plant banana, then you are expecting coconut. Understand?
Okay.
As a guy, if you truly love your girl, you entice her with gifts. You take her for your shopping. You always buy things for her. You take her out.
What's happening to your network? Because a lot of people are calling. Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello, please. Because a lot of callers are coming in. Please do call back. Let's hear from you. Please, once you call in, make sure your network is working and make your contribution fastly so that other people can be able to contribute as well. Please, you have a lot of callers in the building. As you're connecting, please just make sure your network is working fast.
Hello. Okay. I'm back again.
Yeah, welcome back.
Yes. First question, the other guy said, if a girl did not take him out, which means the girl does not love him, the girl does not send him. At least tell that guy, I said, Fumi said he should become the woman of the house. Why the girl become the man of the house? You understand? Because in the Bible, God said the man is the head. So why do you say the woman must always buy things? The woman did not buy anything. Then the woman does not love him. One, did you ask the woman where he gets the money to buy you that thing? What about if that woman is not working? How did you expect the woman to buy you something? Okay, the other guy.
The reason why we bring this program is that men are always buying, taking out. So want to let the women know that they can also still help out. That's why that is the main reason of this topic.
Yes, it's not a crime for a woman to buy something for a man. It's good for a woman to always surprise his man with what a little that she have. Not that it's compulsory that the woman must always do. You understand?
Okay.
God said, let the man be the head. Let the man take care of the woman. The woman can support the man. It's not a crime. Understand? And the other guy said, it's good for a man to always buy a woman something. Yeah. If you truly love your woman, make the woman to become who you want that woman to become. It will be difficult. Fine. Understand? But you will try your best so that tomorrow when people see you, they'll say, yes, you tried. The fault did not come from you. It come from the woman. So if you don't love the woman, tell her to go. Not by double dating. If I don't love my guy, tell that guy to go. It's not by force. We are in 21st century. It does not mean that we must be like our forefathers. We are not. Yeah. If I don't love my man, I tell my man to go. It does not matter. But the other guy said, if the woman did not buy me something, then he does not love me. Please tell that.
That's his own opinion. Madam, please, that's his own opinion. That's how you understand his own,
okay?
So, thank you because so many people are calling.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so we have a lot of callers in the building. Please do call and I'll pick your call. Let's be doing it one after the other, please. Okay.
Hello, bro.
Okay, please, brother, just
for what that woman just said just now, I want to chip in for what this very woman was just saying just now. You see, I didn't make it that it's compulsory for your girlfriend to be buying you something. Fine, the man is the head of the house. Are you getting me? But as you know, you have a girlfriend. Sometimes your wife or your girlfriend will show you love. Will give you surprise. Not you as a man in the house. Every time, okay, you want to buy a soap, you will be the one buying it. If you want to buy this one, at least your wife will still support you. So we are not dealing on that topic. The topic we are dealing on today is that is it a crime for
a woman,
your woman or your girlfriend to take you to the boutique and buy? It's not a crime. If I'm dating, if I'm in a relationship now for 1 year now, my girlfriend, I'm okay. Let me all rush. If I'm in a relationship for 1 year now, my girlfriend have not buy me anything. Meaning she does not love me. Every day I'm the one buying things for her. You understand? So it's not an offensive word. You understand? You know this platform now. We are not doing this platform to offend anyone. You understand?
Anybody.
I'm not in the midst to offend anybody. So I just want to correct her. Are you getting me?
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. Thank you so much. Let me bring another person to the camera. Okay. Please, if as you're coming, please make your contribution snappy so I can be able to attend to everybody. Please, I have a lot of comments. I have a lot of callers coming in because this topic is quite interesting. Please, everybody should. Okay, you're welcome to the program.
See, bro,
your name, please.
This not let you.
I beg no verse. I tell God beg you no verse. I beg no verse because we have a lot of callers. I beg no verse.
My name is Lovett, all the way from Germany.
Okay, so what do you have to say about the two topics you are dealing on today?
Number one, he said that the guys that used to take guests out for shopping, if it is right.
Yeah.
And number two, the girls that double date if they have two boyfriends and also the boys.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll start with the one that double dates. Like maybe I was receiving I was looking the live video since you get one girl like that. The two girls may talk last. What that one? The last one talk was so very bad. Say if the other one poor, you need to help her. That is rubbish. We won't go they work for boy, go they use the body, they sleep to another man. But that is it sounds stupid now. For this mother life, that me they not call a date boy now say one not get money, one get money. I can't go to sleep with the other one. Now we say the boy go look, you say you take douche as in maybe you are so very cheap or you not get one is your time. That is rubbish. But for me, say I think maybe maybe say they double date two boys is very bad because number one, they say you can't serve two masters at the same time because when you serve it, you have to lose both of them at the same time. That does it. which is very
Okay.
bad. Any guys or any boys that used to double date, at least they should be faithful to their girlfriend. For this life, if you want to, maybe I mean, if you find something, anyhow you want your girlfriend to be, you are able to brush your girlfriend up. So the start shop maybe say you
Okay.
dey fine. Not be say you dey go outside, go dey sleep with Peter, go dey sleep with John, which is very bad. If you are dating a guy, you have to be faithful to him, always loyal and something like that. Double dating for boys, most of our boys in Europe, now they are talking show. Some of them that penny, you know, they keep up for one place, and I say they jump to the market. I'm talking to you guys, so as in at least you guys
Okay.
should respect your girlfriend because I mean they say a girl, as in girl agree girl this thing as in power. If any girl swear for any man, it always come to pass. That is just it.
Okay.
For me, girls should be
Okay.
faithful to their boyfriend and also boys should be faithful to their girlfriend. But the other one, maybe girls, if it is right for girls to take her girlfriend out to shopping or something like that. For me, it's
Yeah.
good though. Any boy when be say carry girlfriend go shopping, it's a good thing. At least
No, is it right for a girl to take a boyfriend out?
no boy need to take a girlfriend out because
Okay, no, girl not supposed to take a boyfriend out.
oh, for me, I lost sleep. Why go carry boy go shopping for wetin happen?
Okay. That's the mentality that we are trying to correct this
No.
night. It's not good.
Now the boy go carry me go out for shopping. He go buy the way I like on the supermarket. I go buy. He carry go out.
Okay, there is no problem now.
Now he go
We
buy.
don't hear. We don't.
Now he go buy
Okay, we
the
don't
things.
hear you.
At least it's right for a guy to take a girlfriend out for a shopping. At least for both of them to have fun together, just to take a walk or something like that. But if a girl take a girlfriend as in a boy to a shopping also, it's also okay. It's not a big deal. At least if you love the boy, you can do anything for the guy. And also the guy loves the boy, you can do anything for both of them. As in the love is not
Okay.
from one side, it's for the both side. It's just trust and understanding.
Okay. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. I hope you stay back and hear from other
No
people
problem.
as well.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Okay, I have a lot of comments and a lot of callers in the building, but please, I have to be taking it one after the other. Please, if I didn't pick your call, just have a little patience. I'll pick it, okay? I will attend to everybody tonight. Okay, hit me.
All right. I'm sorry about that. Just network.
Okay, yeah, welcome back.
See, I will talk a little about dating. You see, dating, forget dating two boys or dating more than two boys. Some of them is not their fault. I hope you are getting me. Not their fault.
Okay.
Some of them find themselves in a situation that they cannot help it, that to take money for wherever they can see money. For example, let me make this an example now. I still know some girls then in school that their family are so poor, you understand? And they need a guy who can take care of them. And if their guy is not that rich, you understand? And they see someone that will help them out, like school fees, handout, all those stuff. They have to do what they have to do to make sure that they get what they want in school. I hope you get what I'm saying.
Okay.
Understand? Some of them, they are doing it just for themselves. Some of them are doing it, not they just want to do it or they are happy doing it. I hope you are getting me.
Okay.
As for our guys, our guys, we are dating more than two girls sometimes because we want to test. Yes. This girl, no, it's too fine. No, I want to test her. So we are just doing it for reform. Yes, I have the money.
For fun, yeah.
I have the money. I have the car. I have a good house. Any guy I talk to, yes, let me just doing it. I have my girlfriend who I will get married, but let me just be flexible. Some of us we are doing it in that way. According to my brother, my friend, Innocent, he said to laugh like I laugh. See, all I just see is that you have to be faithful. Because whatever you give out, you will always take. If you are not faithful, don't expect your girlfriend to be faithful.
Sure.
You understand? Before Agbero to talk to a banker, he will look at himself very well. This woman, look at the car. Look at the standard suit she wore. Before I will talk to her, let me look myself very well. For a banker to talk to a banker is very easy. You understand?
Yeah.
So whatever you give out, you will take. You don't expect, and you expect. your girlfriend to be faithful. No. So the advice
Okay. What about the first topic?
about a get taking a boy out or a woman taking a man out.
Yes.
It's normal. Your girl can take you out. Doesn't mean that if you take you out, you should spend all the whole money in this world. No. That is what some people do not know. Taking a girl buy something for a guy or taking a guy out doesn't mean that you should close his account or her account. No. See, for example, a flower, one flower a girl got for a guy can make that man change his mind to marry the woman, even though he do not want to marry at that point. Do something good. Doesn't mean that you should go and buy a car for your guy. Or you should go to supermarket, close the supermarket because you want to shop for your guy. No. Little something is very appreciative. That is what we do not know. You understand? Like, for example, if you are coming, your girl do not expect anything from you, you just bought a gift for her. She will so appreciate it. She will be happy because she never expected it. You understand? The same thing to the man. The man is at home, or the man is not doing anything. He does not have anything yet now. You do something little for him. He will appreciate it. That does not mean that you don't know yourself or you are a fool for you to buy something for a guy. No. We should learn how to respect and love ourselves. Understand?
Okay.
So that is my contribution.
So thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Yeah, thank you so much. Let me bring another person. Okay, please, before I bring another person to the camera, let me quickly rush and read some comments again. Please give me some little time. Let me rush and read some comments because so many people are not calling. They are just sending their comments. So let me quickly read it. This one is coming from Obozo. Obozo said, Leo. Loveline said, my Igbo brother, good evening. Okay, good evening to you. Lovers Johnson said, I'm calling, okay? This one is coming from Bobo John Matthew. He said, why? St. Chukwujebi said, why, Oga? Okay, Lovely said, no be lie. Bobo said, why, brother? Leonard said, gear for Europe, too like card, okay? Leonard said, men no dey Europe again, okay? Lovely said, my brother, you said it all, okay? Leonard said, if you be gay, just hold your boyfriend well, okay? Lovette said, I'm calling, okay? Fumila said, call me, okay? I can't call you, I don't know that's going to call. Leonard said, girls too like money, okay? This one is coming from Leonard again. He said, Italy girls we go use una pant tell buy Benz, okay? Fumila said, call me, I can't call you, I don't know that's going to call. Pick my call, bro, okay? John Martin said, you can help your boyfriend, please, okay? Alex Osazo said, lovely. St. Chuku JP said, this woman go ready. This woman go greedy, I swear, okay? Okay, I said, nah, so. Clint Loneliness said, love no dey Europe, okay? Rita said, pick my call, okay, I'll pick your call. You said, this is not for calling girl. Erica said, this is not for calling girl, okay? Erica said that. Lovely said, who tell you say love no dey Europe, okay? That one from the Lovely. Formula say, bromine, okay? Bromi, okay? Lena said, love dey Nigeria. Love, no, Bobo said,